Welcome to the backyard, everybody. It is the beginning of December and it's time for another garden update. So here we have late November was when I filmed this. My camellia, or actually it's a sanquis, is just about to bloom. It's never had so many buds on it. I'm super excited about that. You see all those pretty pink buds, a few blooming. And my Japanese maples were so pretty this year, just bright, bright, bright red. They've had a disease the past couple years and the leaves just kind of crinkled up and dropped off. So we really enjoyed them this year. We got the birch tree over there and the red maple with a few leaves left. And then we still have some things in the garden. So I should have recorded for you the day before and shown you what it looked like because I have just come in and cleaned some things out. Those are my little onions. But it's going to look a little bit neater and you'll be able to see what's what with it all cleaned out. So I'm just giving you a little preview of this bed. Then I'm going to climb inside the garden and we'll look at everything in detail. I don't know how grass gets growing up there. We never plant it, but it always shows up. All right, so in this bed I have cabbage. I'm sure you can tell that's what that is. It's just starting to form a head. I got to get my camera just right. There we go. I don't know. Can you eat those big outer leaves? Y'all tell me. I always just bought cabbage at the store. These are all carrots that you see here. There might be a weed or two mixed in. I tried to get the weeds out. And then that with the broadleaf is a parsnip. And I know because I wasn't sure what it is. I thought it was a weed. I pulled it out and sure enough it was a little baby parsnip. So some carrots and a couple parsnips in there. I did harvest all my green beans out of that bed. We ate them on Thanksgiving and they were delicious. And then we move over to this bed, and all those long green things are shallots. And there is some spinach in there and some cauliflower that I don't know if anything's going to happen with the cauliflower, but the broccoli is doing great. I'm showing you the shallots again. And since I filmed this, the broccoli has actually started to head. So there are a few little heads of broccoli starting out there, which is super exciting. And then I have a good crop of kale. I'm pretty much picking that about every day. And if I pick the little baby leaves, we just eat them raw in salad. When I pick the bigger leaves, I will cook those. I'll put them in soup. Last night we had pizza popover, and I put it in there. So we just add that kale to everything. I just have a little bit of spinach that came up, but I've got some Swiss chard, and so I'll pick a few of those leaves when I'm going to make a salad, so I just have a variety of greens. This bed over here has more kale and mostly the red oak leaf lettuce and a little bit of chard as well. So I mainly have greens coming on, and then that broccoli will be ready in a couple weeks, I think. I'll be sure to take a picture before I pick it. And this bed is just full of lettuce. There's plenty for me to pick every day. It's been so fun. Just pick it, wash it, put it in the salad spinner, and then have a delicious fresh salad. I'm so thrilled with how that has come up, all from seed. So I'm just showing you my grass while I climb out of the bed. And that is my garden for late fall. So check back every month and I will have another update for you. And then otherwise, we have new recipes coming at you regularly. So there's the fall garden, everybody, late fall. I realized yesterday after I ripped out the green beans and the peppers and kind of cleaned it up that I should have shown it to you beforehand, and I'm sorry. I just got enthusiastic about doing my cleanup, but we've had a couple freezes this past week, and I came out the night before and I picked all the rest of the peppers and all the green beans, and those plants just looked pretty bad. They won't withstand a hard freeze. Or we didn't really have a hard freeze, but it got down to 29, 30, I think. And so they were done. But as you saw, the lettuce is still hanging in there. My broccoli, all those are more cold hardy. And so fingers crossed, we'll see how well they do. Thanks for touring my garden with me again this month. I hope you are enjoying these videos. Stick around, I've got lots more recipes coming, and as always, subscribe, like, share, and that will help our channel to keep on growing. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you next time.